Hello everyone, welcome back to Abhyaas LawPrep. MNLU Nagpur have released its official notification of vacant list for BA LLB and BBA LLB. So number of seats for BA LLB is 28 and for BBA LLB is 13. Last date to fill the application is 16th of June and the results will be declared by 18th of June. Whereas coming to application fee, it's free. It's absolutely free, so you can fill it. And the eligibility criteria which have been clearly given, that is for BA-LLB it is 6,000, that is AIR 6,000 and below, and whereas coming to BBA-LLB it is AIR 7,000 below. So here is the clear seat matrix given, the number of vacant seats for unreserved category, the number of vacant seats for EWS, Maharashtra, and as follows. So here you can see after general category, all other vacant seats are for Maharashtra domiciles. This is for BA LLB integrated course, and this is seat matrix for BBA LLB honors. That is for unreserved category, it is 6 vacant seats, whereas coming to other vacant seats, it is only for Maharashtra domicile. So to apply, you can simply search NLU Vacant Seats 2026, and in results you'll see Abhyaas LawPrep NLU Vacant Seats 2026. You need to click on this, and here you need to click on check vacant seats. You'll see MNLU Nagpur and you just need to click apply here, which will redirect you to the official form. So if you know anyone who is waiting for vacant list notification, you can just forward it to them, and please do share, subscribe and like.